Happy Monday. I had a snow day today at work. I'm feeling so like I'm back in school or something. We had a winter weather advisory last night. We got so much snow. It stopped around like 10 a.m. today, but the roads were terrible up until a little bit ago. So everybody's working from home today. This has been my setup this morning. I lit a candle. I'm on my second cup of coffee, which I've been doing a little bit too frequently lately. I can't make this a habit. I feel like I've just been really enjoying my coffee lately. Like I was never someone who like got up in the morning and was like, oh, I can't wait for my cup of coffee. Like I didn't crave it like that. I would really drink it for the caffeine. But I swear in like the past month, something's shifted in my brain and it's become like something that I crave in the morning, and I can't wait to get up and have my cup of coffee. Like on the weekends, if I wasn't doing anything, like I wouldn't drink any caffeine. But now, like, I want my cup of coffee just because it's so delicious and cozy. It makes me feel like I'm getting old. But yeah, I'm home, snow day. Not much going on here today. I'm just gonna keep working and then I'll chat with you later when I make dinner. It's 7:45 in the morning and I'm freezing. I had a 7:15 dentist appointment today, so I've been up for a long time. No cavities. Everything looks good, thank God. I went through a period of time in my life when I was younger where I had like 2 years of like tons of cavities. It was terrible. I'm gonna grab a coffee from Dunkin because there's one right here and it's Tuesday and I fucking hate Tuesdays, so I'm gonna treat myself. Does anyone else feel that way? Like Tuesdays are just my least favorite day of the week without a doubt. I don't even mind Mondays at all. Like I find them kind of motivating. I'm like, okay, it's like a new week. Let's like set some goals for the week. What do I want to get done? What do I have to look forward to? But Tuesdays are just like the nothing day, and it's just a reminder that like you're not even halfway through the week yet and that like time's ticking and you better start getting stuff done that you want to get done. I don't know. I hate Tuesdays. Oh my god, my window's frozen shut. You're at work. Okay. Oh my god.
Could I please get a large caramel swirl iced coffee?
Oh my god. Dunkin is so hit or miss. Like it's either so delicious and they made it so well, or it tastes like sewer water. Like that's seriously the case. but when it's good, it's freaking good. Let's hope it's good today. I haven't had Dunkin coffee in like, and then I'm heading to work. I'm gonna be like 5 minutes late.
My window is frozen.
It's okay.
I like had no idea.
Everybody.
Thank you.
What's it gonna be today? It's good. It's good today. Yay! Woo! Can you guys hear my car? It's actually not my car, it's the snow on the ground. We have so much snow. Oh, I got stuck on my way to the dentist, or like I was trying to pull out of my apartment complex, and they just do like the worst job at plowing it out. Okay, time for work. It's literally 0 degrees outside. It's too cold to literally do anything. They hate going outside so much. It's so sad. They just like pick up their little paws and like hobble around. I want to get them like little boots and a jacket. My skin has been so dry. My face, my hands, my whole body. I'll show you what I've been using. We have to lock the doors around here because Bogey learned how to open them. Okay, for my body and my hands, I've been using this Oak Essentials Luminous Body Lotion. Seriously, like my hands have been so dry. This smells so good too. And then for my face, ignore the chewed up bottle because my dog's Paula's Choice Skin Recovery Hydrating Treatment Mask. I've ran out of all the other moisturizers in my cabinet. I didn't love this when I first tried it like a year ago, but I'm liking it a little bit more now. I've been using it the past couple weeks. I just have such dry skin. Like I need a constant layer of moisturizer on my skin at all times. Also, it was Brody and I's 3-year anniversary on Monday, and he brought home some flowers for me. He's so cute. He always like has fun picking out the flower combination. And he's like, how did I do? Like, do those look good together? They're so pretty. And it's just so crazy that we've been together for so long. We started dating when we were seniors in college, so time is flying. And we have 2 puppies that are being so naughty. Stop it. Hey. 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 No. Naughty. Naughties. Don't wag your tails. That's naughty. That's naughty. You guys can have this. Outside, I got my puppies cuddled up next to me, and I'm tapping in to my soft, feminine hobbies era, okay? I'm teaching myself how to crochet. I feel like I had so many hobbies when I was younger. I feel like we all did. And then you just get older and you get busy. Like when I went to college, you just don't have as much time for things. Like my social life took priority over everything. But I feel like I'm in the swing of things now. Like I'm no longer transitioning out of the post-grad, or like I have transitioned out of the post-grad life, which is crazy. I'll be 3 years post, or 3, yeah, is it 3 years? Yeah, I'll be 3 years out of college this spring, which is insane. Someone the other day was saying that we're almost out of college for the amount of time that we were in college. Mind-blowing, truly. Yeah, that time after college like is just weird. Like if you're going through it, it's such a weird time. Like everybody says it, and it's like comforting that everybody says it, but nobody really talks about like how to get through it. Like you just gotta keep going till you're through it, to be honest. You're not with your friends anymore. You're getting adjusted back into the real world, working an 8 to 5. But like I said, I'm feeling like I'm fully adjusted. I feel like life is finally slowing down. I like literally had moved every year since I went to college. So for the past like 6 years, I've moved. I've lived in 3 different states. And for the first time, I'm going to be most likely re-signing my lease here and staying in the same place for a second year, which is really exciting, not having to move. I just feel pretty settled right now. I'm pretty content. But with that, like, I'm wanting to find some more hobbies and some more things to do. And I really want to learn how to crochet. I also really want to learn how to cross stitch. There's a huge list of things that I want to learn how to do. But first thing is I'm going to start teaching myself how to crochet. It's healthy to have hobbies and things that you enjoy outside of work. And it's also just great to stay off your phone, of course. I've been watching some beginner videos and honestly, it's super hard. I've tried once. So this is going to be my second attempt. I kept restarting. I'm sure that's what I'll be doing today. I just need to keep at it and it'll click eventually. This is my yarn. It has some different color specks in this white yarn. I picked this out with my sister in my last video at Hobby Lobby. Seriously, don't sleep on Hobby Lobby. It's been like my favorite store lately. I've been getting so much stuff there, like home decor wise. And now that I'm in my crafting era, we're gonna be spending some more time there. All right, I'm gonna put on a show and we'll crochet. Friday, everyone. I'm so excited for the weekend. The weather is still terrible, if you're wondering. We have another winter weather advisory, terrible winds, tons of snow, but that calls for a nice chill weekend in, which I'm excited about. Wait, let me give you a crochet update. This is what I have so far. You might be asking, why is it shaped like that? It's not supposed to be. I was trying to make a square. Like, it's literally supposed to be straight and it just like curves like this. I don't know where I went wrong, but I'm learning and I'm doing it. So I just need to keep practicing and I'll get better. I have a Pilates class booked for tonight, which is why I'm dressed like this. This is the first time I haven't had a sweatshirt or long sleeves on in months, but it's so hot. I just turned our heat off actually. I think the apartment below us is like cranking the heat. And like I said, it's absolutely freezing outside, so snowy, but so it makes sense. But like, our apartment is so hot and I'm kind of not feeling well for some reason. And I'm always cold. So that's kind of when I know like I am getting sick or something, because I'm always freezing. I'm always bundled up, always under a blanket. The fact that I'm like hot, I have a headache. You can't even tell in this video, but I have had like literally such a week. This is an example of how social media is so fake. Like, seriously, I've had one of the worst weeks, like honestly, in years. Am I in focus? I just have like so much going on at work and I'm extremely stressed out, amongst other things. So I honestly feel like the stress and anxiety I've had this week, because it's been so high, like I'm sick now. Like, I've made myself sick. I hope not, but I feel like that's could be an explanation. Hopefully I'm just not gonna feel well for today and I'll be fine. It won't like progress into an actual sickness, but just another example. Life's filled with highs and lows, and really people are only showing the highs on social media, because I literally would have been bawling on camera every single night this week. But I don't film those parts. I felt like I should say that because I was editing parts of this video and it was so cute and fun, and like I had some like little moments where I was just like laughing and having fun, and I was just thinking, I'm like, oh my God, like you would never know that I'm kind of going through it this week. And when I say kind of, I mean I'm going through it. So just a reminder that everybody's human. We all have our days, have our weeks. And I just always remind myself the only way out is through. And of course, as I say that, I'm getting cold again. But yeah, I have a bunch of housekeeping things that I want to do. Nothing crazy. Just a few things, but oh, I'm watching Love Island All-Stars right now. Are any of you guys watching that? I'm such a Love Island girl. I watch it all. I watch Love Island US, UK, Australia, All-Stars, Games, all the Love Islands. you'll catch me watching them. But let me tell you one thing. Watching it in the end of January, really anytime, but especially it's the end of January, I'm extremely pale. I'm just feeling like I have a serious case of the winter uglies. It's just humbling. Like, it's just humbling watching Love Island when I am sitting on the couch eating leftovers from dinner I made 3 days ago. I'm so pale, I'm almost translucent. I have chronically chapped lips. My skin is flaking everywhere because it's so dry. It's hard to sit there and watch these girls that are like 22 with perfect bodies, fake boobs, lip filler, the best tan in the world, just gorgeous. And then I'm just sitting there like that. It's definitely humbling and like sometimes not great for the mental. Like literally the past 2 weeks, I'm like, do I need to get lip filler? Even though I'm kind of like anti-lip filler. Sometimes it looks really good on people and then other times it looks really bad. Like, I'm just being honest. Like, it sometimes looks terrible. And I don't know why. I don't know what the difference is. People are like, oh, it's the injector. It's the injector. I'm like, I'm sure it's the injector, but I also think it is like certain people like look better with it than others. And some people's faces, like their lips like adjust better to the lip filler than others. Like, some people's lips literally look lumpy. I don't know. And I just like don't want to regret my decision if I got lip filler. Like, I don't want to be walking around looking crazy and then have everybody be talking about it behind my back and being like, why did she do that? But it's just hard, like watching Love Island and being on TikTok and social media in general and just seeing like fake boobs and fake lips all day. I'm like, I want fake boobs and fake lips. Like, seriously. No, not actually, but it's just hard. Like, I know comparison is the thief of joy and everybody says that, but it's just hard. Like, in the day and age that we live in, it's hard not to compare with social media and all that, but it's so true. Like, when I find myself getting in these headspaces where I'm like comparing and doing a lot of crazy things like that, like I said, I've had a really hard week. And when I'm not doing well mentally, I find myself like doom scrolling on social media and really comparing myself in unhealthy ways. So it's like a sign I need to put the phone down, take a social media break, go touch grass or something. Anywho, I don't know where that came from.